So old Bertha let me down for the first time today. I think the starter is bad or the battery. Got here to pick some food up for the family, and then all it does now is click. And that's all it does. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it gives a single click. And that's it. And my battery voltage is good. It is like 11.9 volts. So I don't know if the battery just decided that it wanted to die all of a sudden, or if the starter decided it wanted to die all of a sudden. But my wife is bringing the battery pack and a hammer, so that way I can see if it'll start off the battery pack, and I can see if it starts with the hammer of the battery pack. So right now my voltage is 11.7, and of course when it goes to start, it turns off the radio, so I can't see if the voltage is just dropping or if it's staying constant. So my wife should be here in a few minutes with my Noco jumper pack and a hammer. So hopefully one of those will solve the problem. And the chivalry has arrived to rescue me. You coming to rescue me?
Every single time.
I appreciate it. Hopefully one of these work. Jump box on. Let's see if she starts with the jump box. Nope. Kickly. So now we go to the hammer. All right, there goes Mr. Starter. Let's give him a couple of taps if I can get to him. Alright, that should be enough. Let's see if she starts. Alright, survey says nothing. Alright, let me go tap it some more. Well, truck didn't start. Called AAA. Not AAA. Called the towing service. I tried to get in contact with AAA, but they didn't pick up to see if I could buy it today and use it today. So $225 to get it towed home. Then I gotta figure out, pull the starter off, get it tested. If it tests bad, get a new starter, be good to go. So while I'm waiting on the dispatch to call the tow truck driver, I will be looking up how much starters cost, because maybe I need one, maybe I don't. Hopefully it's a starter and not anything else. So it's a 2007, so what, 16 years the starter lasted. So truck has never broken down on me, left me stranded. This is the first time, so I'll take it. Well, here we go. Well, the truck is home. For some reason, the battery was completely dead. So I have it on the charger using my faithful Noco Genius 3500. I got it in repair mode because the voltage on the battery was like 7 volts. So repair mode repairs it, because like regular charge mode, you know, it won't do it. So repair mode gives it low amperage to build it back up. So yeah, I don't know if the issue now was just the battery itself. Maybe the battery side just wanted to die. I've had that battery. It's an XS power. I forget what size it is, but I've had the battery for probably 6 years. So maybe the battery just decided that it wanted to just quit, and either the jump box wouldn't jump it. I don't know, but once it fully charges, I'm gonna give another try and see if it works. But I have ordered the negative battery terminal. Is my doors locked? Yeah, doors are locked. I did order the negative battery terminal because that did give me a little bit of issues a few months back. So, you know, once the battery gets charged, maybe tomorrow or so, might try to start it, see if it starts. But if it does the same click, the negative battery terminal should be here in like 4 days. Nobody had it locally. Nobody could get it. I wanted the OEM one, the GM one, or the AC Delco one, and they had like some other off-brand ones, and I don't want to deal with off-brand stuff. It's only $70 for the GM one, so I ordered that one off of eBay. So yeah, once the battery charged, I try to start it. If it just clicks, then I know what I need to do. So yeah, but she's home. Matter of fact, I need to go and get the AAA Premium Plus card because that tow truck was $225 to go 10 miles. So, yep, I'll be back when the battery get charged and see if it starts. All right, let's see if the battery is charged, and I doubt it's gonna start, but let's give it a try. So, battery is charged. On repair mode, like I said, repair mode on that Noco is awesome. Oh, spider web, you son of a... All right, so let's see if it kicks over. I doubt it. But let's see. Yep, nothing but a click. Why is my glove box open? All right, so yeah, that's gonna be, what is this? So that's gonna be a wrap for this video here. I did order the negative battery harness. I think it has a ground that goes to the block, a ground that goes under this fender, and I believe a harness plugs into it. I may go ahead and order both harnesses. Greasy hand bastard. I may go ahead and order both harnesses for the positive terminal. It's the wire that goes from the battery to the master fuse, and then the master fuse and wherever that goes. Oh, and there, that from the negative, it goes to the battery, to the starter. So I got the negative one coming. I may order the 2 positive terminals off of Amazon, because all of those probably need to be changed anyway. So I'm going to end this video here. The next video on this truck will be me installing the negative harness, which will be here tomorrow. So let's see if that fixes the issue and we have a truck that starts and runs again. So thank y'all for joining. Peace.